Allie, stop licking yourself. That's rude. We don't do that on camera. We're ladies. Hey guys, I have got an amazing Walmart haul coming your way today. As always, Walmart does fall and winter better than they do any other season in my opinion. We do have some hits, some misses, and then some things that I want you guys to help me decide whether I'm gonna keep or return. So everything I'm talking about is gonna be numbered up on screen and linked in the description bar below. I'll have size info and color info, but you'll also be able to shop them with a little pop-up that will come up on screen here, but I always have to note, it may say something is out of stock, but that might just be in one specific color and size. It doesn't mean your color and size. So we'll go ahead and get started with probably my favorite pieces, and of course they're casual. It is these scuba knit pants. I am gonna call this a set, but it's actually not a set. It's meant to be worn as one, but these scoop pants are absolutely incredible, and people say that they are a look for less from the Spanx Air Essentials line. Now, I've never tried that line, and I don't think it has a seam down the center of the pants, but these are like $19. They fit true to size. I'm wearing the size small in the color Chicory Coffee. They come in 6 different colors, and it is available in sizes extra small through 4X. But overall, these are just like such a soft pair of pants, and so I see a lot of people really talking about these, and Abby, dang, they are just as good as everyone has said. And then product number 2 is actually the sweatshirt that I am wearing. Again, this is not a set, so that's why I'm linking them in like number 1 and number 2. But it is supposed to be worn as a set. So the color here that I'm wearing is Chicory Coffee as well. And I actually am wearing a size large in the sweatshirt. I sized up because I wanted to see if sizing up would kind of give me a little bit extra length so I could wear it with leggings, and it really didn't. I probably could have got my true size small, but regardless, such a cozy soft sweatshirt. This is available in sizes extra small through 2XL. There are 8 colors available for this one, and it is selling super fast. So I know that can be a little frustrating with Walmart stock, but oh my gosh, if you guys can get your hands on this, get it. This is seriously the softest sweatshirt ever. Product number 3 is this adorable faux fur coat. And I really wasn't sure how I felt about this online, but when it came in, I was like, this is luxurious. It's bougie. It is amazing. I'm wearing the color Hot Fudge, but it also comes in the color Tan. It is available in sizes extra small through 2XL, and it's actually at a really good price point as well. But I really love the length and the buttons on this. I feel like it's a very warm coat, but you're not gonna break the bank to have some like big faux fur fancy coat. So good price point, love the color, love the buttons on it. It's just overall such a win in my book. Now this faux fur vest is right under $50, and it is amazing. A very easy way to dress up like a simple pair of like black jeans and a black top. You could wear this with a dress. I was very surprised at the sizing of this one. I did get my true size small, and it fit perfect. Usually I'm concerned because of my broader shoulders that I like need to size up in outerwear, but this one fit amazing. The faux fur on it also looks really nice. Like I would never guess that this is right under $50. I would think that it is way more expensive. I am wearing the color Whisper White, which is the only color that it's available in, and it is also available in sizes extra small through 2XL. This puffer jacket is absolutely incredible. I am wearing the green color, but there are 4 colors available in total. It's available in sizes extra small through 2XL, and it is a $45 coat. Super warm. Now I know some people don't love that cropped coat look because it doesn't serve the purpose of like covering your butt if it's really cold out, but I think for the style purpose, this is really cute, and I would style it just like I have it worn here with like a pair of jeans and booties. I live in South Carolina, so we do get really cold winters in like January, and for the most part, a coat like this would actually really be great October, November, December. So I love this. Again, there's 4 colors available, but price point's great, very warm. It's just overall a really good staple cropped coat. Now this faux fur coat is $64 at least retail is what it's showing me. I did get mine when it was on sale. It's available in sizes extra small through 2XL. Again, the color I'm wearing is Whisper White, and I really like the faux fur look to this one. I do think that this one comes off a little bit bigger in person than it like almost appears, it very much so made me look like I was just huge. So I did get a medium in this one, but now knowing that the small and this exact like vest and brand worked so well, I'm probably gonna exchange this for a small, so you can get your true size. It is still gonna have that kind of oversized plush look to it, but just know this is meant to be like a bougie, over the top faux fur coat. I think it's just super fun and really different from just like an average, like the green bomber I just showed you. Like, it's just different from what I have in my closet. So I am a huge fan of this, but I do need to swap it for a smaller size. Now, free assembly stock is really frustrating, but if you can get your hands on this jacket, I highly recommend it. This has got amazing structure to it. I love the button detail. I think that it is a really warm coat to actually not be as thick as it is. It comes in 3 colors. I'm wearing the color cappuccino. It's available in sizes extra small through 2XL. And this one is like base price at like 34 bucks. I'm seeing it online right now like for about 15. So it is selling out very fast, but overall just such a good cropped coat. And again, it's a lot thicker than it seems, but it's not super thick. It's just overall a really good jacket. This distressed faux leather bomber jacket is so cool. Like, I feel like I belong in Top Gun Maverick, and I liked this one. I thought it would look cute on, but I had no idea how much I was going to love this one. I feel like the color, like the distressing, it almost kind of looks like a really cool green, but I'm actually wearing the color brown. It is available in black as well, and it is available again in those size ranges from extra small to 2XL. Cropped, hits right at my waistline, and I'm wearing high-waisted jeans here, but this is exactly how I would style it. It just makes me feel very chic and very cool. I'm loving the bombers that I'm seeing from Walmart this year. I feel like they've really hit the mark with those. Now, this faux suede zip up vest, I actually need to exchange for a smaller size. Again, sometimes I grab a medium just because my shoulders, like I'm not sure how it's gonna fit. And I feel like the medium was actually way big on me. So if I get a small, it's gonna not only fit better, but still give me the option to layer underneath with a thicker sweater without being too restricting. It does have an actual like belt loop up at the top, which I will probably never actually buckle because that would make me feel a little claustrophobic. But price point, this is great. I think it's super trendy. I love the fabric on this. It's right at $50 and it's available in sizes extra small through 2XL, but this just feels so high quality. Like, I know that the price point for some scoop outerwear can definitely be a little bit more up there, but I promise you guys, you are getting a really good quality, thicker item when you do buy these pieces. Now, this double-breasted coat I am in love with. If you guys saw my Target haul, maybe last week or just like a few days ago, I'm not sure timeline wise when this video will go up in relation to that, but I had this like brown oversized jacket, and it almost looked a little bit more slouchy and casual than I was really going for. And so I just wasn't crazy about it. This jacket is actually what I had wanted. It is white, it is sleek and chic. I love the material, I love the fit. I'm wearing a small, and if it's perfect. The buttons on it are amazing. The structure's amazing. It has pockets, but they do come tacked, so you can choose to leave those closed so that they don't fall open and kind of change shape, or you can open them up and use the pockets yourself. I just think like this is what I wanted when I think of like a double-breasted, like kind of blazer style coat. I am wearing the color Cream 100. It's available in 3 colors, and it's again that same kind of size range, extra small through 2XL. Now, I purchased this tie black button up from this line because I actually had the free assembly one, and I wanted to see how they compared because again, like free assembly does have a tendency to really sell out very fast. I think that they're one and the same. I do like that the scoop one doesn't have the buttons exposed. There is an additional piece of fabric that's gonna cover those up. So this looks really polished. The tie on it is amazing. It's available in 5 colors. It's also available in sizes extra small through 2XL like everything else, but this is like under $20 base price. It is saying that it's on sale right now. So again, I always get anxious when I see that because I'm like, if you see it, that might mean they're trying to get rid of that stock. So it may not come back, but I love the black. There's a really pretty red in here that I think would be great for holiday. I think this would be something that you could style with like a dark wash pair of jeans and some sneakers. Like Lisa Duncan had, I think it was either this one or the free assembly one on with a Veronica Baird suit at the YouTube holiday house, and it looked so chic, and she was wearing like a suit with this top and sneakers, and it was just absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend getting your hands on either this one or the free assembly one that I will also link below. But good price point, good color, just overall a great basic. Now I grabbed this two-piece set because it was a two-piece set, and I was very intrigued to see how this was gonna cling, especially with it being like, I don't feel like you could like tuck this top in. And so I was like, how are we gonna look? Is it gonna look dumpy? Is it gonna look weird in the proportions? And I was floored. I love this so much more than I thought. It is ribbed. The length is absolutely incredible. It does come in two colors. I am wearing the black. I think the other one is just like a plain white. We've got the extra small through 2XL, but overall, just this quality is amazing. You are gonna have to wear kind of a like specific bra, or like a bra that's made for more halter tops, because the top does kind of cut a little bit funny, but overall, I mean, amazing price point. This is listed as a top seller on Walmart's website, and it would be great for a holiday party you have coming up. Now, this is selling like hotcakes, and I'm telling you, I totally understand why. This is actually the second color I have in this dress. I shared this one in green a few months back, and I told y'all this would be beautiful for like a Christmas church ceremony, any kind of special event you have coming up, fall family photos. And I love that bad boy so much, I went back and got the black. I am wearing my true size small. The bottom is incredible. The pleats are beautiful. The tie at the waist just really is like the chef's kiss to the way this makes your body look. It is not lined, but it is very thick. So you don't, like, there's nothing that's gonna be see-through in this. It's just so elegant. I actually wore the green one when I shared it with boots, and here I have it shown with just a pair of closed-toed heels. So you're gonna be able to wear this for a variety of things. It's a great price point, but it is selling out so freaking fast. So if you can get your hands on this, get your true size, you will not be disappointed. This is another one that has me just so floored. I adore this color, and I also really like the lace detail on the neckline and at the bottom. I feel like this dress is like, I'm hesitant to say this because it's like sexy, but it's not like obnoxious, it's not super showy. But it's not just like an average dress. I think that this is so elegant for the holidays. I love the green color. I'm wearing my true size small. I probably could have sized down for an extra small if I wanted it to be a little bit more figure, like flattering and really cling to me, but I think that my true size was a good call here. It's available in two colors, and this one is only available in extra small through a large. Now, I did, this is where I kind of get a little, I like to share when I don't like things as well, because you guys may get on the website, you may see something that you're like, oh, that's so cute, and it may come in and you may be disappointed. Jessica Simpson has a line at Walmart. Now, I'm not entirely sure if this is the same as her regular Jessica Simpson line or if it's different. Personally, I was not a fan of a lot of the pieces. The accessories were great. This bag, I think, is so fun. I think it's a really good size. I love the snake skin. I think this would look great with like an all black outfit, like a black oversized blazer, some black boots, like a really fun date night look. I was impressed with this. The quality of it, I don't feel was like over the top exciting, but I think that the look for this bag is really, really cute. Now, I did get this black top. I am very undecided, so I want you guys to help. Do I need to keep this or do I need to return it? I like the ruffle detail on the top. I feel like this is different than what I have in my closet, and I'm really trying to venture out and kind of not just keep those pieces that are different, but style them for you guys more. And I think that this is super cute. I think that you could wear this with like black jeans and like kind of dress it up, even with like black work pants, and it would be great. It's a little bit on the thinner side than what I expected. It is not lined, so you're probably, if you wear this in a work setting, gonna need to wear a tank top underneath it. It fit true to size. I am wearing a small. It comes in two colors, and it's available in sizes extra small through extra large. But let me know your thoughts. I do like it, but I'm not 100% sure. Is this something I should keep or something I should return? But this was where we really kind of took a turn. I like this dress, but I was under the impression that this was a new drop, and I feel like this denim dress just screams like summer date night. Now, you could easily style this for fall, and I know, I mean, depending on what state you guys live in, like you're still experiencing warmer weather, but but this just screamed like summer to me. So I don't know, I just wasn't crazy about the blue dress, especially the sides. I felt like they kind of stuck out funny. Like the dress clung to my body very beautifully, like it looked very flattering, but then you have these like kind of look like a belt almost on the side, and it kind of stuck out funky. So I don't know, I'm still kind of undecided on this one because I feel like this would be great, but I feel like I will wear it next summer, and by then it may not be available just with the way Walmart stock goes. So again, let me know if you think I should keep or return this one. I'm just undecided, but it is really cute, very flattering, good price point, and it's available in sizes extra small through extra large, and it does also come in a black as well. This blue dress is going back. I was very disappointed in this one, and I hate to like just keep knocking this line, but I thought like this would be so cute. You know, some people like short sleeve, shorter dresses during the fall time. Again, depending on what state you live in. The quality of this one is very disappointing. It felt very papery. It just felt very like 2009 when it came in, and I wasn't a big fan. I also didn't feel like the chest was super flattering, but again, I want you guys to know, because if you see this online, I don't know, you may think like, oh, it's so cute. When it comes in, it was not impressive in my book. There is one print and then this solid blue available. It's available in extra small through extra large, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you to probably save your money on this one. Now we do have a couple pairs of earrings that I absolutely loved. I think Jessica Simpson does accessories very well, and as soon as I saw these hoops, was like, these are gonna be so fun for the holidays. I don't always love to wear things that are so outwardly Christmas, and I feel like this would be a really cute way to kind of wear like a fun sweater and then these, and it's still gonna give you that holiday feel without being just like Christmas in your face. So a really good price point. They're under $10. They're very lightweight, and so far they haven't really bothered my ears, and I have pretty sensitive ears too. And then the last earrings are under 10, and the ones that I've been wearing in this video, I'm not sure if you guys can see them. They are, in my opinion, like a similar look to those like teardrop or raindrop earrings that you probably see all over Amazon, but they're a little bit more elongated, which I actually really like. They're fairly lightweight, but they are a statement earring, and I just think that they are absolutely beautiful. They are only available in the gold. There's not a silver, but price point wise, I mean, how my ears have, like, again, I've said this before, super, super sensitive and not at all been bothered by these. I feel like these are absolutely amazing. And that is it for this video, you guys. We really started out strong, and I just hate to like hate on a line so much, but I guess I had more hopes for the Jessica Simpson line, but it just was not as impressive as I wanted it to be. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. Love you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.